Welcome to Kinode, the peer-to-peer operating system and platform that's paving the way for a truly decentralized Web3. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started with blockchain, Kinode provides the tools you need to build, deploy, and scale decentralized applications. Kinode's architecture combines the power of WASM, peer-to-peer networking, and encrypted communication. We've drawn from the best of OS design, blockchain, and decentralized tech to create an environment where your applications can thrive. With Kinode, you'll have access to modular building blocks that work seamlessly across our decentralized network. To help you along the way, we've created comprehensive documentation that breaks down everything from setting up your environment to deploying your first Kinode application. Our docs cover all aspects of Kinode's architecture, tools, and APIs, so you'll have the resources you need to bring your ideas to life. We also have a YouTube channel with introductory videos and detailed walkthroughs that guide you through the basics and advanced features of Kinode. These videos are a great way to dive in and see Kinode in action, step by step. And if you ever need guidance, join our growing community on Discord. It's a space where developers can connect, ask questions, share projects, and get insights directly from the Kinode team. We're here to support you every step of the way. At this hackathon, you'll get hands-on with Kinode, exploring what's possible in a fully decentralized environment. We can't wait to see the creative solutions you'll build, from peer-to-peer apps to unique on-chain interactions. So dive in, explore our resources, and let's push the boundaries of what decentralized applications can do. Ready to start building? Visit our website to read our docs, check out our guides on YouTube, and join us on Discord. Let's build the future of Web3 together with Kinode.